Hello, and today what we're gonna work on is I'm gonna show you how to write a simple C++ code, scripts, whatever in the Ubuntu terminal. So the first thing we do is we open the terminal, the Ubuntu terminal. Alright, now what we need to do now is we need to navigate to the desktop because that's where we're gonna save the file. So we write cd, and cd means change directory, so it's pretty intuitive. So cd and then desktop. Alright, now we're in the desktop. Now what we need to do now is we need to create we want to put the C++ file inside of a folder, so we need to create one. So it's gonna be mk, which stands for make, my bad, and then dir, which is the abbreviation for directory, and let's name that folder hello world folder. Oh, that's pretty good. Alright, so now after we do that, we press enter, and now to check to see if the here, there it is, it got created, or we could check to see if it got created in the terminal by typing ls, and yeah, that's it, ls, press enter, and then you will see that it's right here. See it right here. Now what we need to do is we need to navigate to the hello world folder, so we gotta say change directory, hello world folder. Alright, now we're in the folder and the ls to see what's in there. There's nothing in there. We can even open it here to see nothing. Alright, so next step is we need to create a C++ class, and we need to create it by typing this command. So it's gonna be like nano, and then whatever you want to name the file. Probably we'll just name it main.cpp. When we press enter, it's gonna open up that file, and now we include everything we need, including the iOS packages, so we can. So what is code? What we're gonna, the type of code we're gonna write is we're gonna print out hello world to the console or the screen. It doesn't seem like much, but it kind of shows you how to print out use the terminal in Ubuntu or any bash, if you know. So we types iostream, so we're gonna need that to print out hello world to the screen. Now we need to use the namespace, call the namespace so we type using namespace std. One second, guys. Sorry about that, my battery's gonna die. So now we need to create the main method, which is going to be the main execution point for the C++ program to run. We gotta return 0. We can return any number you want, but we gotta return something because the method has a return type of an int, so we gotta return an int value. Now what we do next is we type the code to print out hello world. Do this. Now we typed it up, so next steps is we need to compile and run, and I'm going to show you the commands for that. So to exit out of this text editor thing, we gotta press Control Exit, and then it's gonna ask us if we want to save. We type yes, and it asks us again if you want to change the name of the file. We don't have to, but it's if you want to, you can. But if you're good, just press enter. Now what we need to do now is we need to compile the C++ file, which is right here, right? So we need to compile it. So the code to command to compile it would be G++, and then the name of the C++ file, and then you press enter, and then we gotta press LS. Well, you don't have to, but I'm gonna show you something. We press LS to see what's inside of the this folder. Now press LS, and it created this file, this executable file named a.out. So that's what we need to execute so we can run the hello world program. So and you can see that it's going to be in here too. It's right here. So to execute an executable file, we need to type this. This means execute in Ubuntu, Linux, you could say. And then we type the name of the file, which is a.out, which is the executable file. And then what we do now is we press enter. And as you can see, it printed out right here. Alright. Thanks for watching this tutorial, guys.